When it comes to choosing a VPS hosting provider, two names that often come up are Namecheap and Liquid Web. But which one is the better option for your needs? Stick around because I'm going to break down key differences, performance, and pricing, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is worth your time and money. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. First, let's talk about pricing. Namecheap offers some of the most budget-friendly VPS hosting options, starting as low as $9.88 per month. For those on a tight budget, it's definitely an attractive entry point. However, as you move up to higher tier plans, it becomes less competitive. Liquid Web, on the other hand, starts at $15 per month, but offers more features and better infrastructure, especially for high-traffic websites. So, if you're looking for pure affordability, Namecheap is a solid choice, but Liquid Web offers more robust features for the price. Next thing to consider is performance. Both Namecheap and Liquid Web have good uptime, with Liquid Web often boasting a 100% uptime guarantee. That's a big plus for businesses that rely on constant accessibility. Namecheap, though, tends to show slight downtimes during peak traffic hours, so it might not be the best option if you're running a high-demand website. For more consistent performance, Liquid Web edges ahead here. The server management is the third factor to weigh in. Namecheap provides a simpler, more beginner-friendly experience. If you're new to VPS hosting, their cPanel and easy-to-use interface might feel more comfortable. However, Liquid Web's management system is more advanced. They provide fully managed VPS hosting with expert support, meaning their team handles a lot of the heavy lifting for you. If you prefer a hands-off experience, Liquid Web's fully managed VPS hosting might be worth the extra cost. Now, let's look at customer support. Namecheap offers 24/7 support, but the quality can vary depending on who you're talking to. For those of us who need answers quickly, the inconsistency can be frustrating. Liquid Web, on the other hand, is known for top-tier customer support. Their staff is available 24/7, and their average response time is faster than Namecheap's. If customer service is important to you and you don't want to waste time, Liquid Web might be the way to go. Lastly, scalability. Liquid Web takes the lead here. As your website grows, you may need more resources, and Liquid Web makes it easy to scale up with their cloud VPS offerings. Namecheap does offer scalability, but it's not as seamless, and the process might require more manual intervention. If you're planning to grow quickly, Liquid Web's scalability options make it a better long-term choice. To sum up, both Namecheap and Liquid Web offer solid VPS hosting solutions, but they cater to different types of users. Namecheap is a great budget option for those just starting out or who have smaller websites, while Liquid Web is better suited for businesses or websites that demand high performance, top-notch support, and scalability. That said, after trying both of these services myself, I found that while Namecheap and Liquid Web are good options, there is a better alternative out there. If you're looking for the best VPS hosting for your website, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, and trust me, this will be a game changer for your site's performance and growth. Check it out and thank me later.